When the issue of Biafra came, Charlie Boy said he's not in support of Biafra, we are rascals, we are decent. 70 years old man. Then Tiagas him. They Tiagas him. He fell. He fainted. He passed out.
Oh my days, you know more worry to your long.
He was out. 70 years old man. But when their people came, police with horses, with everything, patrol vehicles were escorting them. And they were dancing and singing and abusing Charlie Boy. What is saying Charlie Boy? Say Mumu don't too much. Charlie Boy na Mumu na too much. You be Mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a Mumu man. Charlie. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas before something way back for this. We just pray. They say Mumu done too much and Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, you call other people. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for the Grammy. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Goodluck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Ogbasara. But it's not for us. Oh my God. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize this, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us.
Hey! I hear me.
How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Eh? Charlie Boy? Goodluck Jonathan? He wants to be America, we know. Who is America? No be small North Korea, they knock America here. Knock America there. What America don't do? America will know. Instead of people to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money. Instead of this, you go to Nigeria. You go to this place. Now even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they have left you behind. Now president, now photo and a vote. Your president is now a picture. Photo, not be juju be that.